Have you ever wondered why we accept laws, pay taxes, or grant authority to others? What makes a government legitimate in the first place? Social contract theory justifies governance by positing that individuals willingly give up some freedoms in exchange for the benefits of a structured society, primarily security and order. This is a foundational concept in political philosophy. At its core, the theory suggests that government's authority isn't divinely ordained or based on brute force, but rather stems from an implicit or explicit agreement among the governed. Imagine a hypothetical state of nature where there are no rules or governing bodies. Life in such a state, as philosophers like Thomas Hobbes famously described, would likely be solitary, poor, nasty, brutish, and short, a constant struggle for survival. To escape this precarious existence, rational individuals would agree to form a civil society, creating rules and empowering a sovereign to enforce them. This collective consent, even if only theoretical, forms the basis of the government's right to rule and the citizen's obligation to obey. Understanding this theory helps us critically evaluate the legitimacy of different forms of government and our own obligations as citizens. It prompts us to consider whether the contract is truly fair, if it protects individual rights adequately, and if it serves the common good. We can reflect it on instances where the perceived benefits of the contract seem outweighed by the loss of freedom, leading to questions of civil disobedience or reform. Key thinkers such as Locke elaborated on this, arguing for natural rights that even the sovereign cannot violate, suggesting a more limited government based on popular sovereignty. Jean-Jacques Rousseau introduced the concept of the general will, where laws reflected the collective good rather than individual desires. Even modern philosophers like John Rawls built upon this by introducing a hypothetical original position to derive principles of justice for a fair social contract. Ultimately, social contract theory provides a powerful framework for understanding why we live under governance and our ongoing relationship with state authority. It encourages us to see government not as an imposition, but as a collective creation designed to foster peace, stability, and the pursuit of a better life for all its members.